This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT science question. The question asks us, this theory that eukaryotes, which are described in Scientist 2's paragraph, evolved from ancestral prokaryotes living in symbiosis with eubacteria, is disproved by the evidence given by which scientist? So let's just see if this is even in the passage. So we know that Scientist 1 doesn't talk about these eukaryotes. He just talks about the idea of everything coming from a single cell ancestor. So Scientist 1 is probably not going to be talking about this, and we see no mention that's going to talk about this complicated theory. So let's get rid of all choices with Scientist 1. So we can get rid of Scientist 1 and choice 3, both scientists. And it's left to see whether Scientist 2 talks about this or it's just not mentioned. So Scientist 2 talks about the fact that there are two groups of living cells, prokaryotes and eukaryotes, and that there are divisions of the prokaryotes into different types of bacteria. But then he just uses this to talk about how living cells evolve from a minimum of 3 progenotes, so not one single cell ancestor like Scientist 1 thinks. And then he's off to something completely different, something about an antigen in humans and monkeys. So this is not talked about in Scientist 2's argument either. Eukaryotes are defined, but not this complicated hypothesis is not addressed. So neither scientist talks about this. Choice 4 is our answer.